Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a DIY, and right now I am showing you guys my backyard because we will be doing our backyard for the summer, and I will be bringing you guys along with me. So if you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, do it yourself and repurpose your own items, stay tuned. So we do have, or I do have a video coming up. We are going to be putting concrete in our backyard. We bought a gazebo, I think that's how you say it, from Costco, and we will be putting that up, and I will be bringing you guys along. I think the video won't come out until the end of this month, maybe the beginning of June, but I will be bringing you guys with me, and if you guys are interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit your notification bell so that you guys can get an alert when that video comes out. But right now, I love my decor, my two little signs, my Believe and my kitchen sign. I purchased these from Ross, and I just love redoing them. So right now I have a can of navy blue. It does look really dark in the camera, but I am using a navy blue, spray painting it, and then I did realize it was pretty dark, so at the end I did just do like some strips of white in it, and it made it look more better. And then right here I have my wine bottles that I just had sitting in the corner next to my refrigerator, and I am going to be painting these. I chose gray and a blue color, and right here the struggle is real. It took me forever trying to get these off, so I later soaked them down with some water, and I was able to take it off. So I'll let you guys continue watching, and I will come back in. So thinking back, what I should have done was soak these bad boys overnight, and it would have made the process easier. So if you guys decide to repurpose any wine bottles, make sure you soak them before you start recording. So I will be going with the layer of what is it called? Oh gosh, I can't think of it. Give me a second. So yeah, I did go in with the layer of Mod Podge just to make sure the paint adheres to the bottles. So like I said, I used a gray and a blue, and this will go on my kitchen island. And yeah, if you guys are still watching, keep watching and let me know what you guys think. And this video will be up. Hopefully I can get this video up before the end of the week, because it is Thursday, so hopefully I can get it up by Friday. And yeah, so continue watching and I will check back in. So now let's start painting. I am on my makeshift desk. It's actually where we keep our water hose in. So yeah, let's start painting. Like I said, I did go over with one layer of Mod Podge, let that dry, and then I went in with 2 to 3 coats of each paint. So as I started painting, I remember I had gloves, so I had to put my gloves on because it was getting messy. So yeah, if you guys notice, it was dripping. But yeah, you just want to be a little careful, but I am outside, so I wasn't really worrying about too much of a mess. So yeah. So this looks more like a silver color than a gray, but I think that color came out really nice with the gray and the blue. And I will be using these as a flower holder. So I will be putting little flower stems in this as a decoration that will be sitting, like I said already, that will be sitting on my kitchen island. And then this blue also looks really nice too. So I will be inserting some pictures, or I'm not for sure if I will be inserting some or if they already in the video. Well, we'll find out together, because I recorded this like 3 days ago and I have already forgotten what goes where, but that's why I'm editing now. But yeah, let's see how it turns out. So this is how they look after they have dried. I am going to wrap some twine around it. I was trying to figure out how I wanted the twine to go, so I went ahead and did it towards the middle, and I did all 3 bottles this way. And then all the flower arrangements I already have, I'm just reusing them. And I went with like some summerish spring type colors. So yeah, let me know how you guys like it, and leave a comment down below. And if you are new, my name is Africa. I do DIYs, cleaning motivation videos, and cooking, but I am starting to gear towards DIYs. I really like doing DIYs, so I think that might be what I might lean towards doing. So yeah, if you guys are new here and you like what you see, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will get back with you guys and check your channel out. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's not the end, but I just want to thank you guys for watching if you stayed this long, and thank you for all the support and love. So yeah, so like I said, I will be placing these right here. I'm going to be moving my candle holder out the way, and yeah, let's see how it looks. So in order to make sure the ends are locked or sealed, I used a hot glue gun to seal my ends, and then I tied the knot to hold it, and then just turned it around the whole bottle until I had enough on there. And then if you guys see a little spots, I did go back and retouch those spots, like at the top, and then there's like one on the side. I did go and retouch those. So right here, I just wanted to add some rocks in it so it can be kind of heavy. So if you kind of knock it over, it won't knock over as easy. So I did add some rocks, and these rocks I already had. They came from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, that was just a little tip that my daughter told me, because I did think about adding water to it, but then I was like, if I put water in it, they knock it over, the water would be everywhere. So I decided to go with rocks. And yeah, if you guys made it to the end, this is the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did like, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up down below in the comments, and if you can, like the video, share if this is something that you guys like, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Have a blessed day.